Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get truffles in Sneaky Sasquatch. Truffles are a fantastic way to earn raccoon currency, but finding them requires a bit of preparation and strategy. You'll need a loyal canine companion and the right digging tools to unearth these valuable underground treasures. Let's dive into the simple steps to become a master truffle hunter and boost your in-game wealth. First, you'll need a dog. Head over to the dog park and adopt a furry friend. Next, visit the general store to purchase a sturdy shovel. It's crucial for digging up those hidden truffles. Remember, building a strong friendship with your dog is key, as a happy dog is more effective at sniffing out these valuable fungi. A well-prepared Sasquatch is a successful Sasquatch. Once you have your dog and shovel, venture into the forest area. Your dog will start sniffing around when a truffle is nearby. Pay close attention to their behavior. They'll often stop and point their nose at a specific spot. That's your cue. Use your shovel to dig in that exact location, and with a bit of luck, you'll unearth a valuable truffle. Happy hunting! After a successful truffle hunt, it's time to cash in. Take your freshly dug truffles to the bear, who will gladly purchase them from you for raccoon currency. Truffles are quite valuable, so this is an excellent way to boost your in-game finances quickly. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.